Hi guys, VST here with SP Today I'm showing you something very interesting. Not sure really why it's needed, but hey, who am I to judge, right? If you can do it, and I know how to show it guys, I will always do so. Now there is a guy on Twitter called Leon385. I'm gonna put the link down below because this guy discovered that apparently you can run 120 Hz on your phone when power saving mode is on. And honestly guys, I was not even aware that's not possible. So this is what I'm going to test here in the video today, and I'm going to be leaving down below a link into my video description to Leon's Twitter and also to his video. So if you want to go and check it out, please do so, and really a big shout out to this guy. And I would not even call it a hack or a bug, just there. Probably it was about to be discovered, waiting to be discovered, and this guy was really the guy who discovered it. But hey, let me just show you how this works. First thing I want to do, I want to go in my developers option and I want to enable the refresh rate on the screen so that we can right now see how much we have. So inside the developers option we have something called the show refresh rate. When you enable that one, we can see right now we have 96, and this is only because guys I've been using another hack where you can apparently enable 96 Hz refresh rate. So if you want to check how you can enable 96 Hz refresh rate, you can check my video here, right? Very simple and very easy because this is not really allowed by Samsung. You can either go for 60 Hz, which is the standard, or you can go for 120 Hz, right? So I'm using an app called S20 refresh rate control. When you open the app, you can set 120, and now you see I am back to 120. When I go and I click here, I'm back to 96, right? Again, you cannot really use 96 Hz refresh rate standard, so for me this will be the best option in terms of power consumption and conserving battery, alright? But if you want to use 120 Hz and then still go and switch on power mode on, I'm going to show you how. Alright, so let me just go first into the display. So you see we have 120 Hz right now. We go to the display, we go to motion smoothness, and right now we see we are using 120 high. When we click on standard and I hit apply, we are down to 60. Alright. So make sure that you're running it down to 60 Hz using the standard, and also make sure that the power saving mode is off. You can also go to settings and then swipe to the device care. Inside device here, hit the battery. After you made sure that the power saving mode is off, you can apparently kill everything on the phone. And now guys, just do the following. Go into the settings, go back to display, alright? Go back to motion smoothness and click on high, alright? But don't click apply right now, okay? Just leave it like that, right? Just close it. Now go back on your home screen, expand all the quick settings, and on the power saving mode, just hit the text here. So don't hit the icon, hit the text where you have power saving mode, and you're gonna get to this option. You see it's already off. You can go to details, right? And then you can see power saving mode, turn off, always on display, limit CPU, decrease, whatever. Now you wanna make sure that you set it down from here, right? It's already on. Now make sure that you go back to the previous motion smoothness screen, and we can see that now the high 120 Hz option is disabled, but is still selected. So guess what happens when I press apply? Boom, 120 Hz. Indeed, running with power saving mode on. So if we're gonna go back into settings, into the device care, and we're gonna hit here the battery, we indeed can see that we are running the power saving mode. So if we click here on power saving mode, it is on, and we have 120 Hz refresh rate. Again, I'm not sure why somebody will want to do this, but hey, again, I am not the one to judge. For me, and this is really the advice that I can give guys, for me the best thing is just get rid of power saving mode and use this S20 refresh rate control, set it to 96 Hz, right? And when you go back from the display, make sure you go back to motion smoothness and you can go to high, and you're gonna have 96 Hz. And the 96 Hz is actually the sweet spot. So you're getting a high refresh rate and you're also not taking the biggest toll on your battery, right? But again, I am presenting you with these two options. I'm going to leave a link down below to the S20 refresh rate control, and you can also check my video here how I installed it and tested it. And I really hope that this video will serve you guys. Have a nice rest of the day. If you think these videos are interesting, you might want to subscribe for my channel. We're gonna catch up in my next video, but until then, please stay safe. And yeah, VST over and bye.